Howdy folks. So today I wanted to actually do a throwback. We've done a video, or plenty of videos, on the G14 in the past, but we've noticed a couple of questions from customers specifically regarding the Slash Only kit, where there's no logo cut out. And what we didn't realize in our original videos is that it wasn't really clear to folks that the Slash actually isn't centered on the device. Right? So the folks that had logo with the Slash, the logo would inadvertently, help guide the installer or the customer to, install it on the correct way. But we've seen a couple customers kind of flip it around. And if you can kind of see it here, where if I line up my fingers, like the edge of the device and the edge of the Slash is not centered, right? So it is directional. Whereas, see that lines up a lot better with the, I'm trying to show it with my finger here. But so the tip here is you install it like any other lid. Obviously we pull from, each of the four corners here. And the reason we do that is because this compromises the rigidity across the vinyl. So you don't want to inadvertently pull from just one corner. And then you end up with something torn or stretched or what have you. But the key thing here is you want to make sure that you've got it lined up. So this is the incorrect way. This is backwards. And you could see the gap of what's going on here, right? So when that happens, you should just flip it around. And again, we look at aligning the corners first. And there is a little bit of a gap or a reveal at the edge there because there's a curve to the edge. It's a lot less than some laptops, but there is a curve there. So I'm gonna spot tack that corner. And then I'm just gonna give it, use my tweezers here. Just a little tug to make it taut. I spot tack this corner. And you'll notice that the Slash lines up pretty good. And so then I'm gonna go around to the other side and we're just gonna, I gotta get rid of those tweezers. Yeah, so here we'll just spot tack this corner and then we'll do the same over here as we'll just kind of pull it just ever so slightly to the edge or the corner here. And then I like to give it a little tug to relieve any air pockets or waves. And then you can work around the corners of the Slash rather. And then, so there's two trains of thought. One, you could tack the Slash down now and then push out towards the edge. Or two, some people like to push in from where they tacked to push any slack or air bubbles or air pockets towards the Slash. The Slash itself cutout is slightly smaller than the overall Slash, and that's really just to kind of show, or rather hide, the seam from how that Slash transitions to the lid. So I'm gonna do one side here like this to kind of show both methods of install, right? And we do use vinyl that's pretty good at air escape. This is the 3M vinyl here, satin aluminum. All right, so that's, you can see how I did that. Now for this side, I'm gonna push outward as a alternative to that. So I tack down around my Slash, and then I'm pushing outward. I prefer to push outward from the Slash personally. I just feel like it's a bit easier and more natural to how people install vinyl. No, I didn't clean off my lid. I have a little dust particle in there, but. So there you have it. That kind of explains how the lid can be installed upside down or rotated the wrong way, but it's really because the Slash itself is not centered on the lid, even though it looks like it. And so just to call out, all of the vinyls, whether you get the Slash or the top lid, without any logo, or the one with the logo, They're all meant to be installed with a very slight reveal at the edge here. And just for some added context, the reason we do that on most of our designs is you really want to be inside the corner curve, right? And these, I know this feels sharper than most, but there still is kind of a deburring that goes along the machined edge here. And you want to be inside that because if you come right up to just the edge itself, over time, as you grab it, you know, you're handling it, whatever is being slipped into bags, it can actually catch the vinyl and peel up. So we always, and it gives you a little bit of wiggle room on centering it a little bit. So we always try to design within the curve of a lid at the edge. So that's it. And we'll catch you next time.